dog. Yes, I get a unnecessarily fight. No reason. Y'all don't like this man for no reason. When you're Alkaline out, I don't know, I just don't like it. Y'all a dumb fucking bitch. Y'all following fools and becomes idiot. Too sad. Alkaline March 21st. Yeah, that's my motto. Barclays Center, Fun City, Brooklyn.
I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them
don't know things that, you know, people. The data people, them hold for Barclays March 21st, you know. And nothing normal, you know, people. You don't know how Media Fox go to work, though. Yeah, man, you know things that people. So, I think that lady, she talk a bag of things in that video, people. Now, for hear what go on. You understand? Because look at now. For sure, you say, yo, a lot of people out there, like elderly people, like people out there where, you understand, Mr. Alkaline young, you know, him start out young, you understand, and yo, the youth have some people up in a age fan, you see me, but I think in the video you go see, I think she about around like 60 or so, you understand, so look here now, want to know, listen what she have to say, because she has to say something and, you know, yeah, some real meditation, so look here now, hear what she has to say.
Alkaline say, the only time invent and when it's time to invent. Yeah. The only time invent and when him see stuck on low and him have creative mind think alike when him want to be creative. That's the only time invent. Are you dumb? Are you guys dumb? The only time invent and when it's time to invent. March 21st, no put a blood clot in. Barclays Center to the world, that Alkaline say. Him only invent when it's time to invent. Right? When him see him stop drop and when him feel like him money I go down at the other time I go vent. Him I go be creative. Him I go be the genius. How we do the man? When I'm alone, look a boy alone, I get a life. I get a life.
No man, them can't do that, man. You see me? Alkaline I put money in them pocket. If them not talk about Alkaline, you know, they not get no views. You understand? Them not get no attention. So I just say things that members Alkaline not forward out and this nobody or say anything, you know. You understand? Cause at the end of the day, you know, Alkaline and money them man they pre. You see me? Man no pre nothing else. I'm pre him brand and make sure. Remember man say I'm dead for him brand, you know. I'm dead for him career. You understand? So I saw them man they go to work. But Barclays are go loud still. Yo, trust me, it are go loud. You see the controversy about shows and this now sell and ticket take long for sell and all of them thing the people. Trust me. Yo, that it does wait. That day there, India got turn up. You see me? A bag of people here forward what I talk about. Yo, him better announce somebody else at the show. So I say wait. So look how much the show keep at Barclays and Monday they keep show and me not see nobody announce. What's so? Everybody want to tell Alka what you do now. You understand? But listen what she has to people.
Sing about the whole of one name song and another big sense of the nonsense like clever blood clot dude. Alkaline are the cleverest dude me ever see. A young dude is an old man enough. But I always cheer for the underdog. The dude they get a lot of fight for no reason, blood clot pal. None of them can tell the boy not eat the boy, why not fight against the boy, all blood clot, Bigfoot elephant man. I pass the boy and I say no. What the boy don't know? The man don't come out and give a legit reason say Alkaline. I feel no. Man can't talk that. No follow monkey see monkey blood clot do and no follow fools and becomes idiot. So only fool don't follow and becomes idiot. Yeah. The man said the only inventor when it's time to invent and if guess I'm not entertaining none of so if you not look for my attention, you got dead for hungry.
Yeah man, remember when the man have any black hair ball man and the man say, yo, you think me a party and girl out my thing? And music him say. I say, yo, them are worried, ooh. Them are call him name for it, them nah get no them are dead for hungry. And that Alkaline been doing, all when them depend them podcast, I talk about interview and Alkaline now do this, Alkaline now do that, yo, him antisocial now work, this and that. I hears them I say that people and then still a call and I say it nah work and it nah work. And then still a call him. If him name none of them timeline, them not feel good. You understand? Them just call Alkaline name to promote themselves, because look at now. Alkaline make youths eat food. You understand? Because look at him now in the media like that. So once you call them man the name, you know it'll go viral. Me I tell you that people. You see me? So a lady talk something and you don't know if she say yo a elder where you know a big woman talk about the youth. So me tell you, you know, enough of them people here turn Alkaline fan, you know, because the way how he move and the way how people try to stop the youth or try to fight the youth. And to all the youth just not say nothing and not pay them no mind. People rate him militancy. You see me? People rate say, yo, him not run into people and them thing there. Him name not call up in a bag of drama. You see it? Yeah, people respect him them type of way to how him move. You see me?
Nah, get him attention, no, nah, get the popularity, no, nah, get the knowing, you know, got dead for uncle, because him nah entertain, you know. Him nah clap back, and them say only two and clap. So una alone got clap. Una alone got clap, because Alkaline nah clap black. Him nah look on no car, no exist, him dead. When you start the movie and dead in it, and him nah look there, so my love. Because him not see dead people. When you start the movie and die in it, and him nah look there, so because him not see dead people, and him nah look on no not even on alive. Two and clap, not one. And him nah clap back. The man said the only event, and when it's time for event, him nah lease the house, and him nah pay the mortgage, everything is in bought is paid for in cash. Can you all show your house title? Can you all show your car title, your vehicle title? If you can show it, you lease it. Me, I cheer for the actor dog, and the whole I want to look down for the look at you that rise above all demon and all blood clot devil, yeah?
Yeah, man. I years them a try stop the youth, man, and the youth just a grow. You understand? The youth just a grow, me. I tell you that. Yo, let me tell you. Alkaline always say this. You see that line here? Everything I gonna make sense soon. Put the band-aid over the womb. Remember me tell you that. You see the stone where the builder refuse, I gonna become the head cornerstone. I'ma see it in the future. All of them where you usually chat this about Alkaline Ray. The whole of them I gonna change them mouth. Remember me tell you that. You understand? Cause them I just see the wagon a pass and can't run on. Me I tell you that. You see what the youth are doing in a dancehall? Them might not want to recognize it. But to how powerful the thing are going to grow, them have to go do that. Remember me tell you. Because the amount of fight this a youth get. And go see how him reach and pass how much of them and left them behind. For sure you the youth have a mindset, him have a goal where him go for. You understand? And the way the youth move, at the right way your artists move, superstar level. You know, if you're in and out bag of ray, this, that. You see me? I saw a thing said, you have to move like a superstar there. You can't move like a regular person. You're there so every night, all of them look a thing there. And I say it work, dog. Come remember one time I see a commenty person and say, yo, Alkaline no gonna party and link up and this and that and no give back to the people. And I say, what ya? Alkaline I keep big show at Jamaica. I make vendors dep on road and for make money and them even invite the vendors them for sign up with them thing and every little thing. So everybody can eat food. Alkaline I give it to the agriculture. Alkaline I give it to the blind. Alkaline I give it to the homes. The youth always I give back to the people them. But you know what the thing with Alkaline now? When him do things good, them not talk about it. But when something seems like him now do, seem like the hurricane thing, them, yo, when the other artists them forward out, they must say, yo, Alkaline no care about people. Yo, him no love the people who come keep show and ray, this, that, ray. You know, them a go run off them mouth. Them want to find any chance for bring him down. See? But look here now. Couple months after, Alkaline sister forward out. I give a big things and Trillani go watch it. You understand? And some part of Westmoreland. You know what, people? Everybody stay silent. The strength within they have, we call out Alkaline, them now have the strength. They say, yo, when them see say movement out there give back to people, them silent, them not talk about it. It show you how them mentality stay, people. Negativity them run with, be internet them run with. You see me? Them only find the body in the thing. You see me? I saw them move. Cause them no want to see the youth do nothing great. Them always got pick out the bad part or something like so to make the thing look bad. But when you do good, no, them not highlight them thing there. But a society stays still. A negative them run with. You see it?
Yes, the only time invent is when it's time for invest. Man, the boy, a billionaire. A silent millionaire heading to billionaire. Me not ask Christ. I'm not going on no noise. I'm not going on followers. Yes. Sad you all try to pluck him out. He's not looking. He's not looking in none of you guys' direction. March 21st, right? So Barclays sent that to the fucking world. Yeah, he's
Remember Alkaline tell us say, yo, a pocket full of girls fend that fast, you know. You understand? I be an internet them run with. You see it? Yeah, man. Brother, remember, you know, not because you see a man out there do this and do this and do that, you know, mean say, yo, all the while them rich, you know. You understand? Sometimes the man them with us lay back and just a watch what go on. Them man them money enough. You understand? Bill Gates and them man, you know see them man there in the street. I brag about them buy this and all of them little thing there. You see me? Them man they just have money, you just know say Bill Gates that. You see me? And not everybody will have money. I go forward out and show off whatever them have and all of them little thing. You see me? Everybody have them personality and all of these things. You see it? But Alkaline is a man, them man they keep them life private if you have a reason. You understand? I saw you if you do it. Seem like overseas. The big artists them overseas. You know some of them private life go and all of these things. And when them people left out on big stage and stadium, you see them. And when them go to this meeting or something, you will see them on paparazzi and all of them little thing there. You see me? I saw Alkaline move. You choose to move so. And people hate it. Imagine a youth where just be him. Them not like it. They must say, nah, go work. It nah, go do this. Cause Alkaline tell us, yo, if him did that sit down and chat up with them, him would have be them favorite. Enough of them. Any Alkaline did there around them and I give them strength. He would have be them biggest idol and all of them look at thing there. But I saw it go. You can't give them that chance. Cause look at them, same one they bring you down. When you give them a strength, you see it?
A young kid. Why would I want to argue with a kid? Why would I want to go toe-to-toe and entertain a kid? Yes, he's a kid. He's only 32. And all them opponents, them are some long time big man like him. He's a long time big man. Yeah. He's a long time big man. I'm at 60s. I'm a cheer for the underdog. But this center March 23rd, marvelous out and about. Right, there's something like stage show, but I only show me I go. I'm a cheer for the underdog. Yes, I get an unnecessary fight. No reason. Y'all don't like this man for no reason. When you're Alkaline, I don't know, I just don't like it. Y'all a dumb fucking bitch. Y'all following fools and becomes idiots.
Yes, man, mama. A people them a follow, you know. You understand? Them a follow because a lot of people are follow because them a say, yo, them him not rate this a money and this and that and him. The money not special to him and all of them things. Enough of them are because of the little Gaza thing. You see me? And that's why them not too rare with him. No for Alkaline not do them money nothing. For a man when not even in the media, where am I going to do to people? If you're not trouble Alkaline not trouble you. The man in our meds you. For somebody when in the media and we in a social media world right now. And this you not even use social media, him hardly post all of them little thing there. Him a go look for trouble you. You never see them man they page and no comment and all of them little thing there. Them man they just in a different set of world. Them man they not meds nobody, brother. You see me? Him not meds nobody. So them just a hate because our next man. I saw them going on. Them not hate for them sake, you know. Them hate because our next man. Imagine you follow a group of people who hate somebody. It shows say, yo, you know no sense. You see me? Cause somebody not do you something. You take up that pan your head now. And maybe down the line you have an opportunity to get on this man you have to rate. You understand? So none of them do them madness and lose a certain opportunity. You see, and follow the crowd and then end up or get flap. You see it? Because the same people them a follow, them not get no strength. You see me? Them not get no strength. You see it? So I just say things that and overall people are gonna just hate you like if you just stick to yourself and not friendly with people, them just not gonna rate you. I just up human stay. You understand? And if you do start friendly with them and chat up and ray, them end up start lose respect for you. So no matter what you do, you just can't please people.
Too sad. Alkaline March 21st. Yeah, that's my motto. Barclays Center, Fun City, Brooklyn. I ask Christ first. Flatbush and Atlantic Avenue come alive March 21st. The only time the man I got invent and when it's time to invent. And I'm sure that film show. Him not a sponsor. Him not have no follow back. Nah, nothing. Yeah.
Yeah, man. You don't know new rules. Ex BARCLAYS. You see me? You know, Reggae Fest and new rules in the BARCLAYS. You don't know anything said. Alkaline smart, him is a businessman, him know how to do things. I remember saying him in the BARCLAYS last year, you know. You understand? Last year, I'm in the BARCLAYS. So look here now. When I say, alright, we're going to BARCLAYS, mad thing, brawling, seeing? So him say, alright, the next time you're going to BARCLAYS, my show. You see it, my show, half your part of this. And see that the youth do it. You understand? The youth do it, people. Because at the end of the day, you know, people, Alkaline are the only out of the young generation, you know, from 2013, you know. Artists were from 2013. Him alone, we say I do the arena. You understand? And the youth just gone 13 years in a game. Remember, you know, this a youth that just stay to himself. You see me? As them say, so-called Alkaline and mingle with him fans, but let me tell you how Alkaline fans work. They work through him music. Him talk to him fans them through him music. And him fans them understand that. You understand? That's why you see when him show a keep, it ram out. You understand? A bag of reaction, all of them little thing there. You see me? This is not run with no internet thing and music we are deal with. You see it? Because enough of them want friend up with the artist in an artist house, in an artist car, party with a them thing that them want to get personal with the artist. And that's how it work. Because at the end of the day, a music make you know an artist. Not friend thing. You understand? A music. So, more when you hear them attack, you don't even make that. Because at the end of the day, to them we say nay and tomorrow them say yeah. You understand?
Fee money I spent. If you lose a fee money I lose. Are you all mad though? Are you all mad? Cheer the nigga on. Cheer the dude on. Yes, cheer man. Promote him shit and support him. He never got prison and come there and I do him thing. Some people hype is for a year or two and after that it's crash. Alkaline hype is gonna be forever, baby. Yes, forever and ever, ever, ever. March 21st, 2026, Barclays Center, Atlantic and Flatbush Avenue. That me a cheer and bye.
Yeah, man, people, and a normal thing. It a go loud, man. Me I tell you, it a go loud, people. You see me? It a go loud. Trust me. A go loud. March 21st. You don't know Barclays Reggae Fest new rules. You see it? Yeah, the fans them a go out, ticket a go buy up, show a go sell out, a bag of thing a go on. You see me? The haters a go always talk. I saw you think set. You see me? Sometimes I haters motivate, you know? I will prove them wrong, don't? Yeah, man, but people, what you don't know, Alkaline a do him think, look here. Him a do it big out of a young generation right now. You see me, from 2013, him a do it. So, sometimes I hear them talk, I just laugh. Because the other is artists, them where they them not call them out. Alka them a call out, but him a do it bigger than them. You understand? But people, they don't know things set in a one media facts, you know. Yeah, man, that is it.